There we go. Finalizing.
Yeah,
It's finally a year.
it's
Hi,
true.
Arlene.
When we have triple nines or double nines, what happens is we have opportunities for healings or finishing things that are lagging or long standing. You might even have found this year, everybody, since we're talking numerology, I have to sneeze all of a sudden. That's a good sign for you.
That's
I
the
couldn't
sneeze
get
of
it
truth.
out.
That's the sneeze of truth. Hey,
I
MZ.
couldn't
MZ's in
get
the
it.
house. I
Oh,
had fun with you last night on the show, Michael. Thank you. Hey, Lucinda. That's the sneeze of truth.
sneezing is one of your signs. Yeah, so I was like, ooh.
Yeah, I know.
But
And I was rubbing my nose when you did that too. So I was like, okay, there's something there. Hi,
it got
Michelle.
me.